Hello and welcome guys. Hope we are doing great. So in this video today we will try to create a table. Here you can see the example. You can see here the row 1, 2, 3 and 4 row and column will have 1 and 2. Okay. So let me begin the code part. So I will start the coding here inside body. I will start with table border 1. Okay. Border 1. Then I have how many row? 1, 2, 3, 4 row. Here, so you tr for the row, and there is two column. Okay, you can also see here the heading. For heading you use basically th I have used, and you can see the th name h. Okay, so let's come to that web page and try refreshing that. Here you see name and age. Let me specify some width so that it looks better. Width 700. Save this file again come to here, and then you have 4 row. Now 1 row. Whenever you merge any column, so first row you see there is only one row and 2 row. Okay, here it is merging 2 rows. It means row span equal to 2. Okay, so no row is required because it is holding only 1 row, but it is being used as a 2 row here. Okay, refresh and you see it is working like that. Let's put some value a b n c n. It looks like you have achieved your first 2 row 1 and 2. Then you have another row. You can see a full row. In default value, and you see you come here on this page and you can see your complete row is appearing like you see here in the image. Then you have again 1 row. Tr means row, that have only 1 column, and here you can write, that means it is merging more than 1 column, so you have to write row spam, sorry, call spam. It is merging column, so if you write 2 here, it will give the required output. You see here it is in full and it was like this. So if you match the table here and your HTML code, you will find you have achieved. Okay, so it was using your 2 row, so here it is being used, and this one is a single row with 2 column, and here there is again 1 row with only 1 column. Okay,